Let us say about this the force per charge ratio. Electric field strength is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. You know that the magnitude of the electric field strength is defined in terms of how it is measured. Let's suppose that the electric charge can be denoted by the charge Q, and we all know that the electric charge was calculated in the previous one. Now let us see that how to find out the equation for the electric field. So for that case, when you are bringing the test charge near to this charged other body, so it will experience a force. So that electric field strength can be written as force by charge. So according to this electrical field strength or electric field is the force experienced by the unit test charge. So it can be by mathematically capital E is equal to F by Q, where E is the electric field and force is the gravitational force between the two balloon in this case. And the diagram also mentioned the source charge a little greater than the test charge. But the test charge bringing from infinity to particular point D, then how can that equation will be changing? Let's see the next one. The electrostatic potential, let us come here, this electrostatic potential for the at any point in the vicinity of charge is defined as the amount of work done to bring the unit positive charge from infinity to that point. So you might be knowing this potential and in ordinary thing and the potential energy. So potential is work done by charge or mass if you are taking that in case of the bringing the mass of the body. And here the equation can be implies that if W is the work done in bringing the positive charge from Q from the infinity to a point in the vicinity of the source charge Q, the potential at the point due to the charge will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. How this equation comes, we know that in case of here, see that the work done to bring the point charge together equivalent to the change in the potential energy of the two charge. So that we can say that potential difference. So when you talk about W is equal to the symbol del U given for the potential energy, the potential difference into the charge is nothing but called potential. So potential different, potential difference is different. When we are bringing the charge from infinity to a particular point, the amount of work done to bring the charge from infinity to a particular point is called potential. And when you are talking about the potential difference, if you are bringing the charge in the vicinity of the electric field from one point to other point, then that is called the potential difference. Let's take this equation and a diagram from here. Charge bringing to the distance from infinity to a particular distance, it is mentioned R0, RB, the distance at the point B. That is this distance is brought from there to here. So the potential difference B minus VA, that is will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge by RB minus Q by RA. So if that at a infinity, if it is a distance, see that infinity is the electric field will be 0. Therefore, we can say that if any one of distance is equal to 0, the second case, or R is taken as infinity, then work done is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by R B. That is a distance brought near to the source charge. So that if it is the same charges, then it will be W is equal to K Q square by R. Otherwise, small q is the test charge or capital Q is the source charge. So we know the value for the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is equal to 8.988 into 10 power of minus 12 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. So next, Let us take a point r meters from the charged object. The potential at this point can be calculated using the following equations. Why do we insist to know these equations? Then to understand the concept clearly, the work done is equal to, normally the work done is equal to force into the distance. So here that is equal to Q into V, because potential is work done by charge. So here then when you're talking about the work done will be the potential into the charge. So that's why it is mentioned here Q into V. And also we know that force is called Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R square between the two different charges. So that equation can be substituted and it is brought capital V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. If this equation comes, if both the charges are same, then only then one Q or test charge will be cancelled. If one is taken as the source charge, another one is the test charge Q1 Q2, then in this equation it has been cancelled the test charge, and that it has written potential is equal to kq by r. So that equation brought from the work done or potential is equal to work done by charge. So work done is given as q square by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. So when it is cancelled, the remaining equation will be coming q by 4 pi epsilon naught r, or otherwise v is equal to kq by r. Let's see the further equation to clarify again. Let us take in this activity here and see that the diagram. The two start, one is hanging, other one is rubbing with the straw experiment only. You might have seen that my activity in the previous classes. So here they take two straws, a hollow tube through which a liquid is sucked, a small piece of a paper and a piece of silk cloth, two pieces of thread, minus 50 meter, one small glass bottle, a piece of sellotape, scissors. These are the to do some activities that MET is required for doing this activity. Let us take this, take one straw and tie under this. That means the arrangement as shown in the diagram can be made. So after this one, you can see that now after making the arrangement, hanging arrangement as shown in the diagram, now rub the suspended draw with a piece of paper and bring the other straw close to the end of the suspended draw. What will happen naturally? Observe carefully the position of the suspended straw. You will observe that the suspended straw move towards the straw in your hand. So that activity might have done, or what I have done that we might have seen. So that force is taking place. What happened that since that force charges are the same, so observe carefully the interaction between the straws when it brought near to the one to other. The suspended straw moves away, that is repelled away. So now the glass bottle and the rub it with a piece of silk cloth and bring it close to one end to the suspended straw. Observe carefully, interaction between these two will be attractive. When the body acquires the same charge, it will be repelled, and if it is the opposite one, it will be attracted. So we can find from this activity the properties of the charges. This is one activity. Like charge repels each other, just like explained in the previous case, that in case of these two balloon and in case of the two straw, might have seen here. Only this slides picture told about the attraction and repulsion in case of the balloon and the straw. Just you can watch the diagram. Static electricity, which when it is stitches the wall what will happen? Since it is a opposite charges that attracts. Then static electricity, how it can be created? How can the static electricity affect other bodies? So tie a string to the blown up balloon. Rub the balloon with a wool or it is the same activity, just you can see that reading and you can follow this record what it happens in case of this mentioned activity. And here pictorially explained the balloon static experiment. Balloon roll without touching it. See that in this diagram, the charged balloon is moving the tin. The cooling tin, it is moving. That is, if it is repelling, then it will be moving. When it is attracting, that it will stick together. You can see in this diagram the small piece of paper attracting or sticking. So and the water is getting repelling. So these are the some of the effect in case of the charged bodies with the other bodies. So from the picture you could understand the properties or how to do this activity on this case. Let us tell about other way static electricity is produced. Have you tried an experiment with a balloon, a piece of wool, salt and pepper? So some of the suggestion tells about the static electricity. Have you tried picking paper with a comb? Can you get your hair to it? So these are the daily life activities taking place, whether you might have observed in the presence or the scene area or not, but these are the day-to-day life taking place, the static electricity. And next case, why does a balloon stick to hair? See inside the diagram sticking. A rubbed balloon, if you kept on your hair with that, it will get sticked. And in case you see my hand it is sticking, when I do the experiment, the balloon is sticking with my hand after rubbing if I'm leaving, and it is balloon is sticking on the wall due to its opposite charges. How does a balloon stick to a wall? If you charge a balloon by rubbing it on your hair, it picks up extra electrons and has a negative charge. So the wall having excess of negative charge, that it attracts the positive which is remaining charge in the body. Holding it near a neutral object will make the charge in that move. If it is a conductor, many electrons move easily to the other as far from the balloon as possible. If it is insulated, the electrons in the atom and the molecules can only move very slightly to one side away from the balloon. In either case, there are more positive charges close to the negative balloon. Opposite attracts the balloon stick, at least until the electrons on the balloon slowly leak off. So it works the same way for neutral and positively charged objects. And this here the diagram which shows you that I have shown here, statically charged balloon suspended with thread from a common point. You can observe here electrostatic force and gravitational force and electrostatic force mentioned this diagram, and angle mentioned to calculate that electric field and the potential. So mathematical note is also given here. In case of force under the gravitational force, so that and this equation says the balloon are static in equilibrium, then the force, the ratio of the force of electricity and the gravitational force equal to the ratio with the width and height of the balloons hanging. So therefore, if we are taking this equation with the algebraic, we can arrive this equation as mentioned here. See that mg by 2 kg square kq square. So with this equation, we can find out the value for the required one. The next case, the electric force is a non-contact force. How do we say that? From the diagram, you can understand that. As I previously told you that. Next, coming to this picture, the electric field due to a point charge. So electric field is equal to the force experienced by the unit test charge when it's brought near to the source of the positively charged body. So according to the Gauss law, calculate the electric field from this diagram. And the solution also given here for your further readings in case of the Gaussian theorem. That is the electric flux is directly proportional to the total amount of charge into 1 by epsilon naught. So from this equation also we can calculate the charge, whatever may be that, you will be getting that electric field will be Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R square. That equation mentioned here at last. You can see this. Next, for the remembering of the electric potential, rub a balloon on your hair and the balloon becomes negatively charged. So perhaps to several thousands volt. That would be several thousands joules of energy if the charge were 1 coulomb. However, 1 coulomb is a very large amount of charge. The charge in a balloon rubbed with the hair is more typically much less than a million of coulombs. Therefore, the amount of energy associated with a charged balloon is very, very small. There is an important difference between the electric potential energy and a potential. As I told you earlier, potential and potential energy are different. One proton is 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Then substituting this value of that equation plus or minus nq E 6.25 10 to the power 18 billion proton per coulomb. And some of the example. Okay, in this diagram, the sphere 1 and sphere 2, and when let us think about this. This is the source charge. This is a test charge. Okay, then what? Maybe here some diagram is given. The man is bringing the charge from one place to the other place against the gravitational field. And the same diagram is elaborated here with the values. You could find out the distance between the two bodies are 0.9 meter, and the distance moved is 1 meter. And what will be the here force, electric field, and potential also you can find out here. Think of it. And by some of the experiment, observation, and explanation. So balloon rubbed with the onto hair, balloon is attracted to the hair. Transfer of electron from balloon 1 to hair, causing the negatively charged hair to become attracted to the positively charged balloon. Explanation is given here. Charged rod placed near to water, so it repels. So the cloth transfers electrons onto a rod. The negatively charged rod attracts the water. Charged rod placed near to paper. Paper is attracted to the rod. The same explanation can be followed in the third one. You might have experienced all this by doing your experiment or a personal activity in your place where you are. Here the diagram shows about this more elaboration with this force, field, potential energy and potential of a point charge in a conscious manner. These equations are written here, and that diagram also mentioned here. You are bringing the body to that one place to another place. That is the amount of work done to bring the charge from one point to other point. That is one point angle potential difference, or if you bring infinity to particular point, that will be potential. And equations are accordingly given. Force is equal to k q dash by r square. Anyone may be a test charge, and electric field will be force by the test charge q, and the potential energy is equal to k q square by r, and V is equal to kq by r. That is a potential. This equation only can calculate easily from this diagram. One problem is given to here. Determine electrical force of attraction between the two balloons with the separate charges plus 3.5 in 10 power minus 8 in 8 coulomb and minus 2.9 in 10 power minus 8 coulomb, and separated of distance 0.6 meter. So as in the diagram, the force can be calculated here. And that one small problem to find out the potential in case of the charge moved for a 9 meter, and another one is work done to bring the charge of 1 coulomb, and the values are substituted here, the potential, here the equations, and substitute the value according to that potential, and here the work done will be charge into potential. So by using this equation and substitute the value, you might have experience doing this numerical problem and understand the electric potential in a concrete manner. It will be embedded in your mind to think over it, and somehow the work electrical potential difference and the work can also be mentioned here. And the ordinary equation that potential is equal to work done by charge in case of electrical charges. In case of mass, it is a work done by mass. So what I may be that potential is to be calculated from these learned activities, or otherwise do the activity by yourself to understand or interpret, or you can find that difference between the your original experience and the calculation. And thank you very much for your watching. Once again, thank you. I hope that it will be very useful when you are doing the activity by yourself. You will enjoy and you will let you know the all these practical problem in finding the values and doing activities. Enjoy by doing your activities with the concept, learning physics through simple experiment. Thank you once again for watching this. Thank you very much.